In family violence cases, it's common for the judge or the magistrate to impose both bond conditions and an emergency protective order. An emergency protective order prohibits you from having contact with your victim or any family of the victim, going to your victim's home or place of business. That is typically going to be limited to 30 or 60 days. So an emergency protective order expires after a certain set period. What doesn't expire are the bond conditions. So it's most common to have the emergency protective order and bond conditions imposed at the same time. So even when your emergency protective order expires, the bond conditions remain in place unless and until they're modified by a judge. And the protective order and the bond conditions have similar limitations. You still can't have contact with your victim, you can't go certain places. But with bond conditions, we can modify those if you need to go home, if your victim wants you to come home, if you need access to your children. But just keeping in mind that the main difference is the protective order expires and the bond conditions will stay and still prohibit you from that contact unless they're modified.